Hi, it's Laundry Matt with Curbside Laundries. We're doing about $1.5 million in wash and fold per year at our family's laundromat supersets. And we got started with a yellow diesel Isuzu Trooper, but eventually you're going to want to get your own vehicle. And so right over here, we have the Chevy Bright Drop, and it's an electric van. And so we just got it decked out with brand new shelves that I want to go ahead and show you. You also notice on the Bright Drop, it's got the handles right over here, makes it easy for the driver. We also have a footstep, so it's a lot easier than a lot of the standard Sprinter vans. So it's easy for the driver to get in and out of. And over here, you can see we've got the Ranger shelves. So these are top notch and very easy for the driver. So you got lots of room. Throw the dirty clothes down in the middle. We've got the clean packaged laundry that goes right here. You'll notice they have big lips on them, so that way when you're turning left and right, that the clothes don't fall over. So it's really important that these go deep. Also notice we've got the shelves, actually the rack going across the top. You want to make sure they're anchored well as well. Because sometimes I've seen people attach the shelves to the body of the van, and when you're going left and right, you may hear a creaking noise because you really shouldn't be attaching it that way. So you want to make sure everything's professionally installed. Right over here, we're going to be installing some foam, so that way if you have hanging items, it's not swinging left and right and making a lot of movement while you're traveling. You want to minimize movement. And then we're also going to get bungee cords that go right above the bar. And then that way, you go over speed bumps, you're going up and down, you don't have the hooks, the hangers falling off the rack. So anyways, we're excited to get this into production. Our next stop is the graphics store. We're gonna get some nice Supersets logo, so that way our van is a traveling billboard and it helps get new business both for residential and commercial. In fact, we got a major LA sports team as a result of them seeing our van driving around Los Angeles. So we're excited to get this going and making money for us, because if you rely on people just bringing the laundry to your laundromat, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. The secret to getting a lot of turns per day is to bring the laundry to your laundromat, and the van's the way to do it.